Last week, we told you about a U.S. Supreme Court decision effectively striking down affirmative action and the basis for a person's race being used for college admissions. In that ruling, the High Court stated colleges and universities may no longer use race as a consideration to accept young men and women. KX News' Nye Remy talked with a few people to find out how this ruling could impact higher ed in North Dakota.
The Supreme Court made a ruling to stop affirmative action as an admissions factor. Sophomore Teddy Bismarck, who attends college, says the ruling simply makes sense.
I personally think that the colleges should use the individual's obstacles rather than using race as a substitute.
Teddy believes in equality and that eliminating race discrimination to promote diversity is the right way to go. She says it doesn't matter your race, but you should be accepted based on the school's requirement standard.
You could be white, you could be really poor, you could be black, it's your first time going to college. There's so many other things you could possibly use, not just, oh, here, look at my skin color, that's who I am.
Some may question if North Dakota will be impacted by the decision. In an email, the North Dakota State University Media Relations Coordinator says NDSU is aware of the decision and looking into it with assistance from the AG's office. However, NDSU doesn't currently use race as a factor in admission decisions. According to Representative and Professor Eric Murphy, he thinks the Supreme Court made the right decision.
The reality is we should not be choosing any students based upon race or any other preconceived notion. It should be based upon their academic credentials.
Murphy says the decision can help build cultural diversity, not only for the school, but for the student on an exclusive level. However, we are in North Dakota, so what about our tribal communities? The National Native Scholarship Providers issued a statement on affirmative action saying, and I quote, "The NNSP calls upon higher education institutions, policymakers, supporters of Indigenous education, and students to ensure our nation's campuses are accessible to all. Our students are welcome, and Native cultures and contributions are embraced. The United States is a better country when all voices are represented and included throughout all of society, including education." Many advocates for affirmative action says these policies guarantee a more diverse student body where students can learn from each other and grow in our country, which is a large melting pot compared to other countries in the world. For KX News, I'm Nye Remy.
The recent court decision was looking at admission standards at the University of North Carolina and Harvard. Court justices were considering whether or not admitting a student based on his or her race was lawful under the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. That amendment granted previous slaves and all people equal protection under the law.